$8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to a million and we all rich.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with AF Sister. AF Sister sent me over this 360 wig. This is their 360 Swiss lace wig. I collaborated with them plenty of times before, like in the past, and I really like their wigs because it has an HD lace. So it says Swiss lace, but it's an HD type of lace. It's very thin, so it melts into your skin really, really well. It comes with that invisible strap, so that's basically like the new key point about this wig. You could put it in a ponytail. I mean, you could see it right here because I didn't tighten it all the way, but when you tighten it all the way, it's gonna lay really flat at the back. I'm just wearing it kind of like flipped over like this for now. This makes the wig more natural when you're doing a high ponytail, and you could cut off like little hairs in the back to make it even more natural. And I'm going to show you guys what came in the packaging. So it comes with a clip to clip your hair out of the way, edge brush, some bobby pins, and a wig cap. And that's basically all the things that come in this packaging. So if you guys want to see how I install this 360 wig, and if you're interested or you're on the market for a 360 wig, you want something that looks really natural when you put it in a ponytail, let's get right into this video so you guys can see how I install. And I'm also going to have the links to AF Sister in my description box below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is an actual HD lace. It's a 360, so the lace goes all the way around, but not in the middle. So it's a 360. It has tracks in the middle, so you could do it up in a ponytail. So today we're gonna try to do a ponytail with this wig from AF Sister, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. First thing I'm gonna do is put my ruby kisses in the lace, both front and back of the lace. I'm gonna put this all over. So I want to show you what the wig actually, the construction looks like. So the inside of the wig looks like this. You could see the lace. But it comes with this adjustable, this clear adjustable thing in the back. See that? You could pull that and make the wig tighter in the back if it's too loose. It also has an adjustable band slot on the inside right here. I removed it because I needed to wash the wig, and it has 4 combs, 3 at the top, 1 in the back. So I'm going to put back the adjustable band on the inside of the wig, and then I'm going to start putting the color on my lace. So this is the foundation that I'm going to use. And I'm going to put that all around the lace. I'm just putting it like this, all over. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace all the way around the back.
$8 might just get made. That's just how I feel. $8 might say that you gave away. That's just how I feel. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one not to get the stove. Won't wait, I wanna fucking head. Won't wait, hit the streets and we break the code. Won't wait, hit the brakes when they off patrol. Won't wait, be the last one not to get the stove. Won't wait, I wanna fucking head. Won't wait, hit the streets and we break the code. Won't wait, hit the brakes when they off patrol. Won't wait.
Imagine rock up in them projects with them. Pick your pockets, Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, just popping, get soda, y'all the whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed it. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta provide for my daughter and them. Get the f up out my way. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my from the gardens where the grass ain't cut. Them serpents slurping blood. Selling, but it's all good. Broken promises, still you're watching. Tell you what time it is. Take your chase and take you to it where the Foot Locker is. In the streets with they under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under a money tree.
Halle Berry or Halle Blue. Think it wasn't tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of a gun lives forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, through canals and alleyways. Just the sleeves is the perfect place for shading. We the last but not to get stole. I wanna fucking head. Hit the streets and we break the code. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. We the last but not to get stole. I wanna fucking head. Hit the streets and we break the code. Hit the brakes when they on patrol.
One of them ones.
Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah, but here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it start to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday. You forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's. Boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under. That's when I'm planning to retire, man, it's already funded. Yeah, I brought your wifey out the St. Martin. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique.
Okay guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Thank you for checking out this video. If you enjoyed this video and you're interested in this 360 wig, I'll have it linked down below, so make sure you check out AF Sister. They're gonna be in my description box below. Make sure you guys like this video and leave me a comment, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim.